Guys, welcome to Fox Family Vision. I am Tyler and this is my dad.
I'm Jesse, and today we are going to be making paper airplanes and we're going to be tossing them at this Solo Red Cup.
And we're going to go ahead and make a paper airplane, and then once we're done, we're going to design it using crayons, Sharpies, markers, and pencil.
And if you haven't done so already, be sure to click subscribe and the like button down below.
And once you subscribe, make sure you click the notifications, which is a bell, so you get a sign of when we make our videos. So I'm going to start making my airplane. So I basically start off making like a rectangle.
Fold it in half, hot dog style.
And then you open it again, you find the hard part, and then do it again.
Oh, I started getting ahead of myself. No wonder my paper airplanes suck. You always make way better paper airplanes than I do.
I know. I make it so fast. One time I actually made it from our doorstep to our couch.
So you fold it, the corners sit at the top, and you got like a nice little house looking sheet of paper.
And then you get the edge of it, this part of it, and then fold it like that. And then keep on, and then do that to the other side too. Make sure they're even and in place. And you gotta beware of the edges because you might not spot the difference. So, yeah. And then now you gotta like fold it up, yeah, until it's like a funny looking pizza, like that.
I like pizza.
And now you gotta fold it to make wings.
You notice I'm watching him because I have no idea how to make a paper airplane anymore. It's true what they say, kids. If you don't use it, you lose it.
I made like the cool looking style.
And now,
Here.
is it time to design them yet, Tyler?
Yep.
Alright.
So basically I'm gonna use first is the Sharpie.
I think I'm gonna dabble with the pencil first. I make too many mistakes. Bless you.
Thank you.
Let's put my nickname, Foxy. Anyone who knows me knows that I'm a fighter, and that's my nickname in the ring, Foxy.
And I'm gonna put Fox Family Vision.
Because that is the name of our YouTube channel. We are the Fox family. Don't you forget it! And I'm gonna hit him with the old red, white, and blue. I mean, can't get much more American than paper airplanes.
I'm gonna go. And I'm gonna do my name and my signature.
You have a signature now?
Yep.
Let's see it.
Okay. Oh, I messed up.
Messing up's okay. It's a part of life. Don't beat yourself up over the small things.
Okay.
That's your signature?
Yeah.
Why don't you show everyone at
Okay.
home watching?
Here is my signature, guys. If you didn't know what it looks like this. It's right there, my name.
Oh, it's looking like France. I don't know why it's looking like France. Alright, let's see if I could make this up with some stars.
Come back. Alright, I'm done.
You're done?
Yep.
Alright, I still got a little bit more to go. Why don't you show the folks at home what this should look like, Tyler?
Okay, so this is what my design is. I put cool shades here, and then I put like an eye right here, and I put like a weird looking S. I put my signature. I put cool shades. I put like wave. I don't know what this is though. I put like a lightning kind of thing. So yeah, I'm pretty much done. And oh, I forgot to tell you, I put the Fox Family Vision. I'm gonna throw it there. 3, 2, 1.
What?
I'm back. I threw it from across the room as well.